Hello students, Vande Mataram. Today we are going to learn about conjunction. First question is, what is conjunction? A word which is used for joining one word or one sentence or phrase to other word, sentence or phrase is called conjunction. You can see here some conjunctions which is using for connect or add to sentences, to words, to phrases. First is and. So you can see the example here. Ramesh and Mahesh are good friends. She came in and sat down. Mango and orange are my favorite fruits. So the first example, Ramesh and Mahesh are good friends. Okay, so the both noun are add with and, join with and. Second, or, here are some examples of conjunction or. Show me your passport or license for entry. Okay. Show me your passport or license for entry. The meaning of or that means in Hindi अन्यथा नहीं तो नहीं. You will get computer or mobile as a gift. So here we can see the option passport or license, computer or mobiles. Follow me or leave the group. And two instructions, follow me or leave the group, are joined with conjunction or. Next, yet. He is clever, yet he made mistake in the exam. So the meaning of yet in Hindi फिर भी and किंतु. He is clever, yet he made mistake in the exam. So you can see he is clever, he made mistake in the exam. So both sentence are connect with, join with yet. Second example, he always speaks truth, yet people don't trust him. Third example, she is my aunt, yet she has not helped us. So the both sentences join with the conjunction yet, and yet the meaning of yet in Hindi फिर भी. He is clever, yet he made mistake in the exam. He always speaks truth, yet people don't trust him. She is my aunt, yet she has not helped us. Next example, next conjunction as. The meaning of conjunction as is in Hindi जबकि, जैसा कि, जैसे ही, क्योंकि, ज्यों ही. Consider me as your friend. Please do as I tell you. Follow him as he is our leader. Next conjunction if. I am really sorry if I have offended you. I will see if he is inside. Ask him if he is ready. So in the fifth conjunction if, we here join this sentence with conjunction if. I am really sorry if I have offended you. Okay. I will see if he is inside. Ask him if he is ready. The meaning of if in Hindi यदि, अगर. Okay. The next conjunction before. That means in Hindi निश्चित समय से पहले, उस समय तक. Okay. We got home before it was dark. We got home, it was dark. So the both sentences connect and join with conjunction before. He arrived before the meeting started. He arrived before the meeting started. That means when he arrived, meeting started. Kill your pride before it kills you. Okay. So this is conjunction before. Now next conjunction either or. Okay, either or, यह या तो वह. Okay, here we can see the options. I will go either by train or by plane. So you can choose one. I will go either by train or by plane. We have options to eat either Punjabi or Gujarati. Okay, Mr. Shah will take either juice or ice. Next, neither nor, यह भी नहीं और वह भी नहीं. So the meaning of neither nor in Hindi, यह भी नहीं और वह भी नहीं, that means दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं. He has neither ticket nor pass. That means he has neither ticket nor pass. उसके पास ना ही टिकट है ना ही पास है. Ramesh has neither visited fair nor library. Teacher is neither in his office nor in a class. Next conjunction but. I had no alternative but to say yes. So the meaning of but is kintu, parantu, anyatha. Okay, and everybody knows conjunction but very well. I had no alternative but to say yes. I'm sorry, but I can't stay any longer. I would love to come, but I can't make it till 4 o'clock. Next, conjunction so. I was late, so teacher punished me. He was ill, so he has not attended party. So the meaning of so in Hindi is isliye. I had not performed well, so I was out of competition. Otherwise, next conjunction, otherwise. The meaning of Hindi in otherwise is विपरीत दशा में, नहीं तो या तो अन्यथा. Be honest, otherwise you will lose your customer. So the uses of otherwise or similar. Here, be honest or you will lose your customer. So otherwise and or sometimes it creates some mistakes, but remember when after otherwise there are given any instruction like be honest, otherwise you will lose your customer. Okay, so there we use otherwise. Work hard, otherwise you will fail. Justify yourself, otherwise people will not trust you. So this is otherwise. Now we see the examples of or. So this is conjunction or. We can see here given options, but they're given condition in otherwise. Okay, show me your passport or license for entry. You will get computer or mobile. Follow me or leave the group. Okay, but in otherwise we see the conjunctions. In otherwise we see the conditions. Since. The meaning of since in Hindi के बाद से क्योंकि क्योंकि. So it is also using for time. Since you are tired, you better lie down. जब भी आप tired रहे. You better lie down. Meena hasn't phoned since she went to Mumbai. Since I haven't got his number, I can't phone him. So this is the example of conjunctions and uses of conjunctions. Thank you.